separate espionage.
Thanks for tuning in to part 2 of my 60 Days on the Road series. I start out with an amazing time paragliding at Torrey Pines Glider Port in San Diego before crossing the border of Mexico to explore the coasts of Baja California. There I pick up my friend Gabby for an epic week of beach camping, surfing, and exploring towns in search of the best fish tacos in Baja. This was my first time driving into Mexico, so stay tuned for tips on where to go and what to avoid in this beginner's guide to truck camping in Baja California.
Alright, we are headed to Glider Port. There's already gliders in the air. I can see them on the live stream. It looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. 15 minutes away. I'm going to get there at 9:10 a.m. Let's frickin' do it! It's looking dang good out here today. I'm excited. Let's get it.
Become one of salads and sun. Only a fool would say that. A boy with a plan, a natural man, wearing a white Stetson hat.
Flying Torrey Pines has been high on my list ever since I visited back in 2019. When the conditions are right, you can soar in the gentle sea breeze for hours at a time, soaking in the killer views of the ocean, buzzing around the cliffside mansions, and watching the golfers. I ended up sleeping in the parking lot for a few nights and flying all day long until sunset. It's one of the only spots in the US that I know of where you can land and walk a few feet over to the bar and enjoy a beer with friends and other pilots.
Dragging his feet, don't wanna hear the bad news. Imagine your face, there in his place, standing inside his brown shoes. You do his 9 to 5, drag yourself home, laugh a lot. There on the screen, a man with a dream. I heard it was you, talking about a world where all is free. Just couldn't be.
I just couldn't get in the land. There's so many people.
I know. All right, pool day. So I have been away from a little bit. I'm here in California. I'm in Carlsbad, California. After spending a couple days paragliding at Torrey Pines, it's been fantastic. And here I am now at my aunt and uncle's house. Lots of pool. You wanna say hi?
Oh, absolutely.
Hello. Come on, bring it to me. All right, here we go. Oh, there we go. You ready? You ready? Come on. Let's go. Go get it. All right, one more. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, go get it. Good job! Yay! Let's get it. Otto, you ready to go to Mexico? Your boy got stopped. That was something else. I did not expect that. Got stopped. They wanted to see my passport and registration. They asked if the camper had registration. They wanted me to open my paraglider bags and my paddleboard bag, and asked if I had any food, which I said yes. She didn't speak much English, but that was something else. We're all good to go, I suppose. We'll see how this goes. I thought after a while she was gonna take me into a secondary inspection because, I don't know, she kept saying my last name, which is Arbogast, and she was going like Arbogasia, Arbogast. I was like, Hamburguesa? Like, hamburger? Oh God. Oh, this is gonna be an adventure. Woohoo! All right, let's do it. Hola! From Mexico. Made it to Gabby's house in Rosalita. It's gorgeous. This is her backyard. Got a manzana y cerveza. She's in a meeting right now. After that, we're gonna hang out, go explore. Dog on board. Otto. Dulce. And Gabby. Yeah. Let's do this thing. Baja doggies. Battles. Alright. Surfboard's on top. Ocean. Gabby's loaded up. Let's check on integrity of surfboards. Everything's threaded in. Seems solid to me. Okay, away we go.
The drive from Rosarito to Ensenada pretty much looked like this the whole time. Absolutely beautiful coast. We're gonna head through Ensenada and go to La Bufadora, where we're gonna go check out the blowhole. La Bufadora was pretty touristy, probably the most touristy spot on our whole trip, but we still really enjoyed it. Plus, there was awesome camping nearby.
The blowhole is right over there. Don't go that way. Free tequila tasting.
Ooh. Free tequila.
Oh, that dude got soaked.
Do we like the Bufadora? Do we? El Bufadora!
All right, quick math. 2 pina coladas for 100 pesos is like $5? Sick. Yeah. We'll take it. Incredible. down there tonight. Yeah, no better way to...
Our first camp spot of the trip was everything we were looking for. No one anywhere around us, amazing views, an incredible sunset, and the sound of ocean waves all night long. We packed up the camper and were once again headed south to a small town on the coast called Ejido Erendira. There we looked for tacos, a campsite, and tried our hand at surfing and paragliding.
Alright, first real tacos of the trip here. We're at Birria Marizia. Gabby looks very happy. The dogs are intrigued. Oh well.
Got the
Sweet.
fixings.
Got the fixings.
I gotta know.
What was the cuántos pesos?
30 per. Which is exactly what we were after.
Oh yeah, totally.
Manifested that shit.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Muy bien.
Hola, perros.
Y yo Alexandra. El tiempo no ha logrado que te olvides. No ha borrado las huellas de tu amor. Todavía siento el sabor de tus besos en mi boca. Todavía siento tus manos acariciándome la piel.
Y yo no quiero seguir así.
Getting closer. We've got a lot of vacas headed our way. For those who don't know, a vaca is a cow. Más grande. Muy grande.
Looks like it.
Otto's doing very well.
Qué tontos, qué locos somos tú y yo, estando con otros y amándonos. Qué tontos, qué locos somos tú y yo, estando con otros y aún amándonos.
Breakfast tecate. With uvas y fresas. See? Only in Baja.
Some other places do, but
Mm-hmm. Alright, we're going to pack up. See if we can surf this other spot around the corner. And then head down to Punta Colonet. See?
see.
Okie
Feeling today.
Poor man.
What do you want?
2 queso birria tacos. No. Gabby with the quesadilla. I gotta get this again. This is great. Good. So is that like cabbage? Mm-hmm. Any quesadilla? I think I'm in heaven. Oh.
Oil.
Hey, Bubba. Oh, he's happy. Okay. Let's try this out. Oh, they're hot. You allowed to feed them in here?
Not inside.
Well, this thing's really hot. I'm gonna go for it anyways. Muy delicioso. Muy. It's a lot juicier. Like a lot.
Usually, they'll put the tortillas in the juice.
GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Come on, venga. Vámonos. Oh. That's so cute. No leg, but that's okay.
Now he's a raggy boy.
He doesn't even need a leg. Lovely town. Great tacos. Surf.
Left some to be
No
desired.
bueno. Paragliding, brutal. I got dragged backwards on the beach. Never quite made it into the air. The view was nice.
Okay.
Food,
And the people.
little bit of trash at the campsite, but it did come with a free toilet. If you're not afraid of spiders. Ooh, snake in the road. Dead snake. How do you say snake? Serpente. Serpente muertos. See?
I mean, without the S, it's just singular.
Serpente muerto.
Oh, Morena, ¿cómo está tu cuco? Estamos en Cuculandia. te toca por detrás. Se me suelta el corazón.
So good.
Y te quiero más y más, 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 más. No me canso de mirar, pero quisiera tocar. Ándate, no seas malita. Yo quiero una tocadita, ita, ita. Qué lindo es tu cuco, bonito, redondito y suavecito. Responsable está tu cuco.
Might be a converted man. The Chipotle? Yeah. I have to whip this thing. Change for life. Whatever this place is right here. Absolutely incredible. Look at all the things on there.
No te metas con mi coco, no te metas con mi coco. Yo sé que tienes tu mujer, así que deja mi coco. Si me pongo pantalones y me golpeo detrás, nunca faltan los mirones, como tú y los demás. Si quieres puedes mirar lo que a ti te dé la gana, pero si intentas tocar, te daré una cachetada. No te metas con mi coco, no te metas con mi coco. Yo sé que tienes tu mujer, así que deja mi coco. Te voy a dar una cachetada.
Oh, yo prometer, mirad. Qué lindo tu cuco, sabroso tu cuco. Qué lindo tu cuco, me arrebato por tu cuco, 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 cuco. En Tepito y en el Peñón de los Baños, con el cucu de la Sonora Dinamita. Qué lindo es tu cucu, qué lindo es tu cucu, redondito y suavecito. Qué lindo es tu cucu, si te pones pantalón y te tocas por detrás, se me suelta el corazón. Y
Alright.
te quiero más y más, 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 más.
Just what everyone clicked for.
Yo sé que tienes tu mujer.
You see me
así
wash my hair.
que deja mi coco.
Cálmate, cálmate, que tú no eres loca, ni comes jabón, ni tirando piedra.
No te metas con mi coco. No te metas con mi coco. Yo sé que tienes.
Oh, like we planned it. With the gold, 24 karat gold Casio. Has it been beeping today?
It has not been beeping.
Oh my goodness.
Success.
Perros. The perros. Perro! Oh, perruita!
He loves Selena.
Oh, we love Selena.
Yeah.
Oh,
He loves her.
yes. Was that a lot for you? Did Dulce wear you out, Bubba's?
Now this is exactly what I think of when I hear beach camping in Mexico. Not only was this beach free to camp on, but it was clean and beautiful. It even had a small shipwreck beached up on the shore. By night, we were the only ones around and were treated to a great sunset and Gabby's chorizo bean quesadillas. Just south of camp is a long dune, perfect for paragliding. I just didn't have enough wind to make it work. That works for sure. Ooh, what is that? We continued our journey south, this time leaving the cool temperatures of the coast and driving inland over mountains and deserts. Temperatures went from the low 70s to the high 90s. Gas stations and taco shops are few and far between. Not a place I would want to break down. Luckily, pina coladas were just around the corner.
This place is crazy. Reminds us of Joshua Tree. These large boulders, but there's saguaros everywhere. Super cool. What do you guys think, huh?
Cover up the shirt, Lulu.
A cactus. Muy bien.
Oh yeah.
Muy bien. I look a little creepy from this angle. It's a little better.
Yeah.
More tacos. Happy girl. Let's throw it. Stay. Stay. Get it. Oh. Nice. We're gonna get one that he can catch. Good job. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, nice try, buddy. What are we smelling, huh? You smell it, huh? Cerveza walk. Very nice. This is where we're surfing tomorrow. We're gonna surf right off this point. Hit some wicked riders. Not be dosey. This guy's special work right here. Look at that. Oh yeah, amazing. You don't need to see what she does with it. It's really good. Black beans and tortilla. So Gabby decided she wanted to try and kill me today. So we're gonna try surfing. For my first time ever. Yay!
It's gonna be great.
And she said that people in the water don't wear sunglasses, but she's never seen these before. Look at these bad boys. Are you kidding me? Looks like I'm ready to do some corporate espionage and it's gonna be something else. I'm nervous. We'll see how this goes. Pups are in bed. All right, a little bit of an after action report from surfing. We're back. Dogs are happy.
Gabby, how long did you surf for?
I think maybe just over 2 hours.
I was out there for at least an hour, and I got 2 good waves.
Great waves.
Great waves. I didn't quite stand up all the way, but I got carried pretty far by the wave, like all the way to shore. It was sick. I mistimed a lot of waves. I didn't paddle fast enough for a lot of waves, but I got 2 good ones. I'm very happy with that. It was very nice, peaceful. Now we're celebrating with the tecate and cacahuates.
Life's good.
We're packing up and going to, where are we going, Gabby?
Bahia, Los Angeles.
See, we're gonna look for some more fish tacos because I like them a lot now. All right, see you later.
Hauling ass by.
That was great.
Pero, wala. Oh.
It's just a baby. Oh. You're just a little baby. You're just a little baby.
More fish tacos, more shrimp tacos. Bahia de Los Angeles. It's pretty hot. A little hotter than what we're used to.
Definitely hotter.
We are gonna make it amazing.
En serio.
Very fast.
Wow. Just found camp for the night on the Sea of Cortez. Pretty cool out there. That is a massive island just off the sea. And these two little goobers. Oh, good job, bro. Check me out.
Leave it. Chorizo y huevos, tortilla y frijoles y queso.
What? It is 84 degrees and hot in here.
Getting hotter.
Getting hotter. Something happened with this thing is super cheap and it went like 500 degrees and started making this horrible smell. And so I had to rig the 12 volt DC block into the AC to DC inverter that charges powers my heater. So we're going Jackery, AC to DC, DC, 12 volt fuse block. But I just figured out that the inverter's 24 volts, so we can only do the fridge. All right, who cares?
Goodbye. All right, where are we?
Puertecitos.
Puertecitos. There's the thermal springs here and camping. We're not gonna do either of those. It's really expensive. So we stopped to get a fish taco, as we do, and those were really expensive. They were 2 for 200 pesos, which is hard to say out loud after getting some of the best fish tacos in my life for 35 pesos. But we're looking at these fun street dogs. That's nice. And you take the good with the bad, the happy with the sad. Let's go ahead and show you these tacos. Oh, here's the view. The view is nice.
The view is nice.
Cerveza. Cold.
Oh.
No, of course not. All right. Gabby's going in for the kill.
Oh gosh. Like, do I put beans on it? Rice on it? But could have been worse. It might just be the corn tortilla that's doing something for me.
That fucking sucks. Damn. Honestly, Gabby, I don't even want to finish this. Yeah, alright. We don't have to finish these, right? Do you want to? I'm not gonna.
I can't eat more than mine.
Yeah. Really just threw me back to elementary school there. On like fish stick day. Like GFS, Gordon Food Services type shit.
$2.50.
We're gonna pay this man and then drive as fast as we can away from here. Redemption tacos after our utter disgrace of the tacos and where were we? Puertecito. An absolute disgrace to fish tacos for all mankind. We are in San Felipe. Stuff is looking great. Abby, crushing it. Accoutrements. Very happy here. Oh, I can finally breathe. No more Cisco fish sticks. This is gonna be great. Oh, you're gonna get in this. Everyone likes Gabby in the shot. Enough of Clark's mean mug. Fish?
Miles better.
Yeah. We should probably add. Where are we? Mariscos La Palma? Palma? Mariscos La Palma. Right on the beach. And it was 2 fish, 1 shrimp, and a Coke for 135 pesos. That's really what the people want to know. And they are good. San Felipe y Perros.
Si nuestro amor se acaba, si nuestro amor termina, ya no me queda nada para vivir la vida. Si ya olvidaste todo, también tus juramentos, y llenaste de lodo mi mundo de recuerdos.
Ah, they're all
No más por
so
tu
low.
saber,
Holy smokes, would you look at this?
encima me condenas sin escuchar
Hope it's doing it justice.
sin terminar
Gabby built us an epic fire. We got dogs, montañas, y playa. All to ourselves. Sandy beach, clean, no glass. Just north of San Felipe. Gas fish tacos, gas shrimp tacos. We found a good camp all by ourselves. Incredible fire. That sunset is good. Doggy, we happy? Are we happy? Oh, he's got the ball. Oh, who's got the ball? He's got the ball. Who's got the ball? I'm not throwing it. I'm sorry. Sorry. We're doing another set to work off the beers and cigarettes.
Quiero decirte que esta noche sin vacilación, que ya no aguanto lo que traigo aquí en mi corazón. Me gustas tanto, me enloqueces y no lo puedo ya ocultar. En todos lados me apareces como ilusión en mi mirar.
Oh no.
Gracias. How spicy is it? I'm about to try.
No, it's good. I think that's 100% worth the stop right there. Just the nicest people down here.
Por tanta dicha que me das, te quiero, se oye en mi pecho, es el grande amor que me has hecho. Latido a latido, te siento conmigo, yo quiero ser más que tu amigo.
From San Felipe to Ensenada, we made it all the way north, about an hour away from Gabby's house. But now it's time for the ultimate taco tour of Ensenada. There are 3 taco shops in a 1-block radius, all rated 5 stars on Google. And we're gonna tell you what the best one was.
Aquí tiene que llegó desde las 11 hasta las 3:40. Pero yo digo que le diga.
Número 2.
Tenemos soras, agua fresca de Jamaica, orégano, tamarindo, limón con chía, cebada, jugo de manzana, durazno. Aquí está, provechito. Gracias.
Ooh, those look really good too. These look very, very, very promising.
Alright, let me get a
Picture of these? I don't know if there's room to set you down, so you're just gonna have to believe us that they were good.
finger licking good.
On fire. That
Delicious.
Chile oil. Oh. 60 pesos total.
It was so good.
I think it was better than the first. Toppings were muy delicioso.
The green salsa.
Woo. So we were there. Now we're here. And this is gonna be the 3rd stop. Right after my nose stops running.
3 tacos in 30 minutes tour.
Uh-huh.
Denver food trucks need to come here and take note. This is how you do service. This is fantastic. Woo. I'm gonna have it. We're gonna eat them here? Did you?
For the last one? Oh,
The
no.
last one? Yeah.
Oh no. The angle.
Come here.
The angle's all wrong.
The angle's all right.
The angle's all right.
The angle's all right when you're holding this. Wow. Oh, those are really good, but I think we can both say at the same time the best ones. Dos.
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 Absolutely.
Dos.
It was so good.
And what is this that I'm drinking?
Hibiscus flower tea.
Oh, sure it is.
Jamaica.
Jamaica. Well, back at numero dos. We're gonna try the shrimp. Because the shrimp's good for us.
Regresamos. Ajá. Oh, it tastes so good.
Yeah. This is killer. We're gonna be full. I am.
I'm definitely gonna be full.
Woo. Alright, GoPro, stop recording. Well, that's it. The Baja portion of my journey has ended. It's funny to think how nervous I had been to cross the border and explore. I ended up with my most memorable portion of my 60-day journey. Something about it being brand new territory, not speaking the language, the foods, it was really something completely new. I can't wait till I'm back. I want to go further south, all the way down to the tip near Cabo. I'm hoping to have my own set of surfing gear and maybe a rod or a spearfishing setup. And then there is Gabby. How amazing to share new experiences with someone as fun and easygoing as her. We had a general plan of what we wanted to do, but ended up going with the flow and making so many decisions on the fly. No arguing, no tough calls. It's funny to think when we met back in high school. I'm sure neither of us thought we'd be experiencing this together. Giving me Spanish lessons, teaching me how to surf, having the best and worst fish tacos, exploring the coast, the beaches, the towns, everything Baja has to offer. While this portion of the trip has come to a close, my journey is far from over. I've still got 1,000 miles of coast to explore, up California and into the Pacific Northwest. Stay tuned for part 3. Certainly spooky out here.
Making one night stands, speeding my young life.
Are you okay?
Tell me one more time, just so I'll understand. Are you sure Hank done it this way? Did old Hank really do it this way? Well, I've seen